Good morning, students, and welcome back to the lecture of English 2. Myself, Marunisa Khan. Today, in this class of English 2, we will continue lesson number 7, Adjective and its kind, part 2. Before we begin part 2, let's revise what we have learned in lesson number 7, part 1. That is our previous knowledge. Adjective. An adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun. As you all are already familiar with adjective, so adjective is the word that adds something meaning to a noun or pronoun. Adjective are also called as describing words since they describe noun or pronouns. Yes, students, you all are already familiar that adjectives are describing words. In this lesson, we are going to learn kind of adjectives. There are 6 kind of adjectives. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, and interrogative adjective. These are the 6 kind of adjectives. In part 1, we have learned adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, and adjective of number. Let's revise these adjectives. Adjective of quality. An adjective of quality refers to the quality of a noun or pronoun. For example, cold winds blow near the sea coast. The answer is cold. Why? Because the quality of the wind is cold. So it comes under adjective of quality. Adjective of quantity. An adjective of quantity refers to quantity of a noun or pronoun. For example, please get me some tea. So word some is a quantity that refers to a noun. So some is the word that comes under adjective of quantity. Adjective of number. An adjective of number refers to the number or order or serial of the noun or pronoun. For example, Rohit was absent last week. So the number last is the series of a number like first, second, third, fourth, and last. So Rohit was absent last week. The adjective last comes under adjective of number. So this is what we have learnt in a previous class of part 1. Today we will begin part 2 of adjective and its kind from kind 4, demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective point out or demonstrate which noun is meant. For example, those mangoes are sour. Now word those is pointing out at the noun that it is sour. So the demonstrative adjective here comes is those. Demonstrative adjectives and pronouns. For near and far and for singular and plural, which you have already learnt in class 1 and class 2. For the near things, the things which are near, when it is singular, you use this. And for the things which is near and which is plurals, like there are many things, you say these. And for far things, you point out that if it is singular. And for plural, you point out those. So these are the words that is used under demonstrative adjective that you got to remember. Demonstrative adjective describes a noun. For example, this chair is broken. So the word this is a demonstrative adjective which is used for a thing which is singular and which is near. That car is expensive. These clothes are wet. Those birds are flying south. So the words this, that, these, and those come under demonstrative adjective that you have to remember. The fifth one is possessive adjective. A possessive adjective refers to the possession of the noun it describes. Like, I If it is I, it also becomes my. We are. These are the adjective that is used for these nouns. She, pronoun. Her, you, your. He, his. It, its. They and their. These are the words used under possessive adjective. For example, our school is the best school in the town. So the word are is used under the possessive adjective to show the possession what we hold. Few more examples of possessive adjectives are: my computer is not working as fast as it worked in the beginning. Our father told us not to quarrel with anyone. Your cycle has been stolen yesterday. Her thoughts are too complex. So the words my, our, your, and her come under possessive adjective that you have to remember, students, to identify the kind of adjective. The sixth one is interrogative adjective that you are already familiar and very well know. An interrogative adjective asks question. For example, whose house is this? The word whose is a question word which interrogates the noun, that is, whose house is this, comes under interrogative adjective. A word that modifies a noun by asking a question is called interrogative adjective. For example, which book are you reading? What product did you order from there? Whom are you talking to? Who is your friend? The words like which, what, whom, who, all these words come under question word, which is an interrogative words. So all these words come under interrogative adjective, which ask question, which inquires about the noun. Moving ahead, students, many adjectives are formed from noun. You can convert a noun to an adjective by adding to be before the noun and you get the adjective. For example, now man is a noun, you got to add to be plus man, it becomes manly. Play is a noun, you have to add to be and it becomes playful. So man becomes manly, play becomes playful, and these words become noun converts into adjective, so it becomes an adjective. Here are few more examples. Write the adjective forms of nouns given. Now all these words are noun, like for example, crowd into adjective, when it is converted it becomes crowded. Wealth, wealthy. Cost, costly. Need, needy. Pain, painful. Now these are the noun which is then converted into adjective by adding to be. Students, I hope you have understood part 2 of lesson number 7, adjective and its kind, and will definitely solve exercise in your textbook. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe the channel for further notification. Thank you.